Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 X4 generation F20, F25, F26. So any X3 X4 from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to remove engine splash shield, the underneath engine cover stabilizers, we'll explain how to do that step by step. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. Now, underneath we need to remove the lower engine cover here. So with a 10mm wrench, okay, we're going to start removing a few, okay, bolts here and there. Okay, then we're going to switch actually plastic nuts, those are plastic nuts, to 8mm, and we're going to remove multiple ones now. Okay, we're going all the way towards the transmission housing there, so we need to do those as well. Okay, you can see where we're working now. You can see the control arms displayed there as well. Perfect. Careful guys, because you have dust and dirt and sand stuck in there, so that can actually, okay, affect your eyes. You can get sand. Alright, let's check what's happening. If that's the last one, slide to the back, comes out. Okay, and we can continue with the next step. So that's how you remove the engine undercover splash shield on BMW X3 or X4. If you have any questions, you want to see any specific videos, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.